Welcome back to Pro Hands Home Improvement, your trusted source for all things home renovation in Los Angeles. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of bathroom remodels and what you can expect in terms of costs here in LA in 2026. Whether you're updating for style, functionality, or increasing property value, understanding these costs is crucial. Several factors influence the final cost of a bathroom remodel. These include the size of your bathroom, the quality of materials you choose, and whether you plan to change the layout. Additional elements like plumbing and electrical work can also impact your budget. Each choice will affect your overall expenses and timeline. In 2026, a typical mid-range bathroom remodel in Los Angeles can cost between $15,000 and $25,000. For high-end renovations, you might be looking at $30,000 to $50,000 or more. These estimates include fixtures, cabinetry, flooring, and labor. It's essential to allocate funds for potential surprises that may arise during the project. To keep your bathroom remodel on budget, consider reusing existing fixtures or opting for cost-effective materials that mimic high-end finishes. Plan your layout carefully to minimize plumbing changes, and work with a professional to ensure you stay on track both financially and time-wise. Ready to start your bathroom remodel? Let Pro Hands Home Improvement guide you through the process. Visit us at ProHandsHandyman.com to schedule a consultation and make your dream bathroom a reality.